This is a 2004 Toyota Camry. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, alloy wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk-sensing headlights, a heated driver's side view mirror, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Chino Hills Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4480 Chino Hills Parkway in Chino.